Welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to create new vibration in new mail on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and find the sounds and haptics, then click. Then after that, go to Sounds and Haptics Pattern section, then click the New Mail. Then in the New Mail, click the Vibration. And after that, go to Custom section, then select the Create New Vibration. Then after that, in the new vibration, you can tap to create a vibration pattern that you want. Just tap or long tap to create the vibration pattern that you want. And after that, if you want to play your vibration pattern, just click the play button on the lower side. And your vibration is now playing. And if you're done, you can save it by clicking the save button on the upper side of the screen. And you can also put a vibration name on your vibration. For example, boy. And after that, click save. And your custom vibration is on the list. And that's it. We have successfully created new vibration in new mail on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.